Hello students, today we are going to discuss some important questions of class 11th. First important question is check the correctness of the relation. Check the correctness of the relation. हमारे पास कोई भी होगा क्या, पेपर में कोई भी इक्वेशन दे दी जाएगी और उस इक्वेशन की करेक्टनेस को हमें चेक करना होगा. वो इक्वेशन सही है नहीं है, अगर सही है तो क्यों है, अगर गलत है तो क्यों है, ये सब चीज़ें हमें चेक करनी होंगी. तो आपके पास जैसे कि इक्वेशन है यहाँ पर वी स्केयर माइनस यू स्केयर इज इक्वल टू 2as, वी स्केयर माइनस यू स्केयर इज इक्वल टू 2as, ये हमारी इक्वेशन है. करेक्टनेस को चेक करने के लिए कि इक्वेशन करेक्ट है या नहीं है, रॉन्ग है या करेक्ट है, ये चेक कैसे करते हैं, उसके लिए कुछ स्टेप्स हैं. सबसे पहले उन स्टेप्स को देखते हैं. वी शुड कैलकुलेट द डायमेंशंस ऑफ बोथ साइड ऑफ द इक्वेशन. This means that first we need to calculate, we have to evaluate the dimension of both sides of equation. As we know that in any equation or any equation consists of two parts. Any equation consists of two parts, left hand side and right hand side. हर equation के दो parts होते हैं, एक left hand side और एक हमारी होती है right hand side. तो हमने क्या लिखा है, वी शुड कैलकुलेट द डायमेंशन ऑफ बोथ द साइड्स. जो भी इक्वेशन, एनी इक्वेशन विच इज गिवन इन द एग्जाम, वी नीड टू फर्स्ट कैलकुलेट द डायमेंशन ऑफ बोथ द साइड्स ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर इक्वेशन. Then second point is, if the dimensions of both sides of the equation are equal, if the dimensions of both sides of the equation are equal, then the given equation is correct. If the dimension of both sides of the equation are equal, then the given equation is correct. अगर इक्वल है तो हमें जो भी इक्वेशन दी गई है, जो भी इक्वेशन हमें गिवन है, that means that that particular equation is correct. Now left hand side of the given equation is, ये इक्वेशन दी गई है आपको वी स्केयर माइनस यू स्केयर इज इक्वल टू 2as. तो इस इक्वेशन की लेफ्ट हैंड साइड क्या है, वी स्केयर माइनस यू स्केयर है. इस इक्वेशन की लेफ्ट हैंड साइड क्या है, वी स्केयर माइनस यू स्केयर है. वी हमारी क्या है, वेलोसिटी. वी हमारी क्या है, वेलोसिटी. वेलोसिटी जो है वो किसके बराबर रहती है, डिस्टेंस बाय टाइम के बराबर होती है, हमें पता है. मैंने क्या कहा, वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट और वी शुड कैलकुलेट द डायमेंशन ऑफ बोथ द साइड्स. हमें दोनों साइड्स की डायमेंशंस को निकालना है. वी हमारी वेलोसिटी है. वेलोसिटी क्या होती है भाई, डिस्टेंस बाय टाइम होती है. वेलोसिटी क्या रहती है, डिस्टेंस बाय टाइम रहती है. जो डिस्टेंस है उसकी डिस्टेंस है क्या, एक लेंथ है, तो उसको हम किससे शो करेंगे, एल से करेंगे, इसलिए मैंने एल दे दिया. जो हमारा टाइम है उसको हम कैपिटल टी से शो करते हैं, तो हमने टी ले लिया. तो इसीलिए हमारे पास जो वेलोसिटी की डायमेंशन है वो क्या बन गई, एल टी की पावर -1 बन गई. द डायमेंशन ऑफ वेलोसिटी इज नथिंग बट एल टी की पावर -1, एल टी -1. Therefore, the left hand side of equation is v square minus u square. The left hand side of equation is v square minus u square. ये इक्वेशन है हमारे पास. So the dimension of this side of the equation becomes, L की डायमेंशन, V की डायमेंशन क्या है, L T की पावर -1 है. V की डायमेंशन क्या है, L T की पावर -1 का होल स्क्वायर माइनस U की डायमेंशन क्या है, वेलोसिटी ही है, एल टी की पावर -1 की पावर 2. V की डायमेंशन और U की डायमेंशन क्या है, एक हमारी फाइनल वेलोसिटी, एक हमारी इनिशियल वेलोसिटी है. क्या डायमेंशन है, एल टी की पावर -1. दूसरे की भी डायमेंशन क्या है, एल टी की पावर -1 है. अब सॉल्व करने पर हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा, क्या बन जाएगा, एल टू टी की पावर -2 माइनस एल टू टी की पावर -2, ये बन जाएगा. अब मूविंग अहेड, हमने कहा हमारे पास क्या आ गया, एल टू टी की पावर -2 माइनस एल टू टी की पावर -2. अब आप लोग सोचेंगे कि इन दोनों को माइनस करने से जो आंसर आएगा वो ज़ीरो आएगा. द आंसर फ्रॉम दिस इक्वेशन इज नथिंग बट इक्वल टू 0. पर ऐसा नहीं है. हम यहाँ पर वी आर नॉट सब्ट्रैक्टिंग द टू नंबर्स, we are not subtracting the two constants over here, but we are subtracting the two dimensions by itself. We are here subtracting the two dimensions. And when we are simply subtracting the two dimensions, the resultant will not be equal to 0. The resultant is not equal to 0. Rather than that, the resultant is equal to that same dimension, L2t की power minus 2. L2t की power minus 2. In this way, we can say that the dimension of left hand side of the equation is nothing but L2t raised to the power minus of 2. L2t raised to the power minus of 2. So, this is the dimension of that left hand side of our equation. Moving to the right hand side. Right hand side of our equation is 2as. Right hand side of our equation is 2as. Here a is an acceleration and s is a displacement. Now, the dimension of a is acceleration, that is velocity by time, lt power minus 1 by time. Velocity की dimension as I have defined earlier is lt power minus 1. We have done this all things in our previous lecture, but I am just repeating it. So, lt power minus 1 and the dimension of displacement is L. Dimension of displacement is L. Therefore, the whole dimension become 2 into LT, L2t की power minus 2. Now, when we are talking about dimensions, when we are concentrating about dimensions, the important thing, rather I would say, the important thing, that is the constant term. Here 2 is a constant term. 2 is a number, as we all know. When we are considering the dimension, we shouldn't consider the constant terms. Constant terms को consider नहीं करना है. Therefore, the resultant is nothing but L2t की power minus 2. L2t की power minus 2. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. The dimension of both the sides is nothing but L2t की power minus 2. We have seen this important concept. We have proved this important concept. In this way, our equation, or the equation which we have considered, is correct. Our equation is correct. Our particular equation is nothing but correct. हमारी जो equation है वो सही है, correct है. Moving to the next numerical. Now, the next numerical is check the correctness of the equation s is equal to ut plus half at square. S is equal to ut plus half at square. We have to check the dimension of this particular equation. We need to check the dimension of this particular equation. Now, how we can check? Left hand side of this equation is nothing but equal to s. S is our displacement and the unit of s is, dimension of s is L. L होगा and nothing else. L क्यों? Because we have the distance. Displacement क्या है? Distance है. So the dimension of this particular term on the left hand side is nothing but equal to L. S क्या होती है? Displacement है, distance रहता है, और वो क्या एक length है. Length को हम L से indicate करते हैं. Considering the right hand side of equation. Right hand side is ut plus half at square. Right hand side of our particular equation is ut plus half at square. Now, as the right hand side of our equation is ut plus half at square, therefore, the dimension of u is, as we know, is lt minus 1. As we all know, the dimension of u is lt power minus 1. The dimension of t, time, is capital T, plus 1 by 2 multiply. Dimension of acceleration is nothing but LT minus 2. The dimension of t is nothing but capital T, and we have a square over here, so it will become t square. Evaluating for this term. From this term, we will obtain L plus, from this term we will obtain 1 by 2L. From this term, we will obtain a 1 by 2. So, as we have 1 by 2 over here, मैंने कहा है that the constant terms are not considered. We would consider L only, and 1 by 2 is neglected. 1 by 2 is not going to be considered over here. Therefore, we are left with 2L. 2L हमारे पास आ जाएगा. And there is no need of considering 2 again, so it would become L. Moving ahead. So, in this way, the dimension of right hand side is equal to left hand side is nothing but equal to L. The right hand side of the equation and the left hand side of the equation have the same dimension equal to L. So, our given equation is nothing but correct. जो हमने इक्वेशन कंसीडर की है वो करेक्ट है. Now, going towards the next equation, check the correctness of equation T. Rather, we will take V. The velocity is equal to 1 by 2L into under root of T by M. V is equal to 1 by 2L into under root of T by M. Here T is the tension and M is mass. Here T is the tension and M is the mass. Therefore, this is our next numerical that we have given. V is equal to 1 by 2L under root T by M. Here T is the force and small m is the mass per unit length. Here T is the force and small m is the mass per unit length. In the same way, the left hand side of the equation is V and its dimension is LT की power minus 1. The dimension of left hand side of the equation is LT की power minus 1. And the right hand side of our particular equation is 1 by 2L under root T by M. 1 by 2L under root of T by M. 2 is again a constant. We should not consider it. For this small l, we are going to consider a capital L. It has a dimension of length. T is the tension or force. I have told you T is nothing but the force. I have told in this question. I have narrated this particular thing. So, the dimension of force is nothing but mLT raised to the power minus 2. mLT की power minus 2. And small m is mass per unit length or ml minus 1. ml raised to the power minus 1. On solving this, we will obtain 1 by L under root L square T power minus 2. Because m would be simply get cancelled. We have an L, 2L, 1L in the bottom is having a negative sign and we have T raised to power minus 2. So we will get with using simple calculation we will achieve this term. So this is equal to 1 by L T power minus 1. On taking under root, on solving the under root, we will obtain this term. LT power minus of 1. Therefore, it is nothing but equal to T power minus 1. T power minus 1. There is a small thing over in this equation, that is V is not velocity, V doesn't have V, we have a nu over here. And nu is the frequency. Frequency is equal to 1 by time. So its dimension is T power minus 1. There is something wrong in our particular book. They have considered that velocity, but rather than velocity, it is a frequency. I came to know. So as frequency is 1 by time, so its dimension is t power minus 1. On solving this also we will get t power minus 1. We will get t power minus 1. So left hand side is equal to right hand side is equal to t power minus 1. So our equation is correct. And we have to check this thing only. So our equation is correct. So we have to check this only. As your homework, you need to check the equation v is equal to u plus at. Rather it is correct or not. Thank you.